Professor MoneyPigTrading, a former PhD drug researcher, now a data scientist and trader. Today is May 9th, 2021. We're going to talk about the US market weekly overview and also some cryptocurrency, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and SafeMoon. So just really quick one, registered financial advisor. This is just for education and please invest at your own risks. So the first thing we want to take a look is the federal SOMA data, which was updated May 6, 2021. On the left side of the y-axis, we have the federal SOMA balance, which is $10 billion. Usually at the end of each month, we're going to see some the Fed SOMA balance decrease, and as we can see at the end of April. And this week, updated on May 6, expected that the SOMA balance will continue to rise. And because of the last week, the Fed SOMA balance decrease, we can see the black line, which is SPY price, finally have a little pullback to about 411 and now starting to push back up. And because the Fed SOMA balance has a tendency to increase for 2 to 3 weeks, starting the first week of each month, we do expect the TNX will continue to behave, and that will help the growth stock and SPY continue to stabilize and potentially push up further. And also Federal Reserve actually announced on FOMC last week that Federal Reserve will increase the SOMA balance from $80 billion per month from $40 billion per month. So that will greatly support the market. And last time we saw that at the end of March, we can see the Federal SOMA balance continue to rise and actually largely push out SPY price. So potentially we're going to see the same price action, but we'll have to see a lot of econ data this week to see if the bond market will panic on the potential inflation and sell bonds and rise TNX that will potentially pull down a lot of tech stock and the SPY price. Right now, the interest rate decisions unchanged, so very likely the market again will hold up and continue to rise up from here. Let's take a look at the TNX daily chart. Right now, it's holding the EMA support at this 15.8 and just fluctuating between 15 and 18. It's pretty hard to break above 17. So it's kind of, if we zoom out in the longer time frames, actually moving between the range of 15 and 17. It's actually helping a lot of industrial, energy, and financial stocks to continue to inch higher, while growth stocks actually are pretty heavily pushing down at the moment for about 3 weeks now. You can see a lot of price action on ARKK, Tulio, Roku. A lot of them are also TDD down from the top in March or early this year. From the top to the price now is pretty much down 50%, so quite significant. But the industrial, financial, and energy are totally outperform the whole market, especially the growth stocks. So feel free, make sure to take a look. Right now, let's take a look at the SPY daily chart. You can see right now the daily chart is 4-day, 8-day EMA cross again, just like what we have seen at the end of March. And we'll see what happened after Federal Reserve decide to increase the SOMA balance in March, and the SPY 4-day, 8-day EMA cross by pretty much go up like 3 weeks and stop. Very possibly we're going to see the same price action based on the SOMA data balance. But of course, again, we have to look at the econ data this week to decide whether SPY can continue to push up or not. SPY on the upside right now, if the 420.19 holds, we have more room to 423.4. If 423.4 can hold, we can see 425. More targets will update it on Twitter because right now it's a little hard to calculate based on a lot of moving pieces, especially on the econ data. And also, like we mentioned in the previous video, the weakest seasonality is in March. So May typically is more like a sideways consolidation. But we have never seen a May like this, that the Federal Reserve actually injects so much liquidity into the market. So very likely this May might not be a sideways consolidation, but a continuously bullish price action. Yeah, just have to see and play by ears. And this week we actually have several earnings as highlighted here. And we also have the job opening econ data. And on Wednesday, May 12, we actually have the EIA crude oil report that can largely determine the energy price. May 13, we actually have two important economy data coming up, which is initial jobless claims and PPI numbers. May 14 at the same time, 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, we have the March retail sale. This is probably the most important one. You'll probably see Thursday going to be a little choppy at the end of the closing. We'll see a lot of SPY and QQ put coming in just to hedge this event on May 14. But very likely will be like last Friday, a lot of hedging and choppiness on Thursday closing. But on Friday morning, the econ data is worse than expected. The inflation fear goes away, and then we're seeing SPY continue to push up to all-time high. Yeah, we just have to see how it goes on May 14 on this March retail sales. Really quick, a lot of discussion and interesting price action in cryptocurrency. We have witnessed the Ethereum continue to push up, holding the EMA support over the weekend. It just break out to 4,000, and right now it's traded at 42.14. If this level can hold very quickly in a few weeks, we can see the next upside target based on Fibonacci retracement, 45.30. On the downside, we have an EMA support 37.42, 34.43. Very bullish price action, and Ethereum actually has a lot of usage compared to real world usage compared to Bitcoin. And that's part of the reason Bitcoin, and also Bitcoin is very expensive now. And we can see Bitcoin just being in this daily chart sideways consolidation forever. It's been totally outperformed by Ethereum and other cryptocurrency we're going to mention in the next two slides. The next one is very popular is Dogecoin. Elon Musk actually was on the show this weekend. He mentioned Dogecoin is not his Mother's Day's gift to his mom, and Dogecoin actually plunged quite a bit and pushing back up since I think today or Sunday. Elon Musk actually mentioned that he's going to accept Dogecoin for a space project. Right now, Dogecoin is kind of sideways consolidation around 50 cents. If we can hold 50 cents, we can push up to the 78 cents all-time high and potentially go to the $1 mental level. So we just have to play by ears, and we do notice a lot more unique holder of Dogecoin, a lot of interest coming to this name. So definitely very interesting price action. And if you purchase Dogecoin back to early March with $100, when you reach all-time high of 74 cents, it will worth $27,000, which is ridiculous amount of upside, right? So definitely worth keep watching this, very interesting. And the other one that's getting a lot more attention is SafeMoon. It actually just got launched in, I believe, April 12th. And this is a daily chart we got from Binance. And you can see right now, pushing up, pulling back down, and pushing up and pushing back down. Right now it's a weak sideways consolidation. It's really hard to predict the SafeMoon price target right now because it's a deflationary currency. So every time you sell it, you have to pay 10% tax. So it's kind of discouraging people to sell this asset and to guarantee a price safe to the moon, right? So that's why it's called SafeMoon. And because of this unique 10% tax transaction fees, 10% tax transaction fee, is really hard to predict its price action compared to other regular assets. So that's why here we don't really provide a price action, but continuously we're seeing more and more interest in unique holders of SafeMoon. So possibly it's going to push a lot higher from here. We'll make another video to educate everyone how to purchase SafeMoon in the next video. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and just want to highlight Discord. We have a long-term investment community with a really nice winning rate, 89%, which is average return per trade about 19%. We also have a swing trading program, which is more option focused. Since we started this program, we have a really decent winning rate, and then we're really decent average return per trade. So if you're interested in either community, feel free to check out www.moneypigtrading.com, where you're going to get weekly email and also the Zoom live at least 1 hour per day for now, Monday to Friday. And you also got 24/7 Discord support. And make sure to follow us on MoneyPigTrading on Twitter, YouTube, Instagram. We also have a Facebook group, is MoneyPig Space Trading. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe us. See you next time. Bye bye.